Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink to other sheets in Google Sheets in just a few clicks. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is open a document or a file that you wanted to use. And once the file or document is open, we are ready to create our hyperlink. So for me guys, I have a sample here. So this tab or document, I call this one as my main page for my video tutorial, and this other tab, I call this one as my sub pages or sub page. And I wanted to use this guys, its purpose is that when I click this cell or word, it takes me to my sub page, this one. So in order to do that guys, the easy thing or easy way to do that is all we need to do is copy the link of this subpage. So once the link is copied, go to your main page and click the cell or this word and right click and search for insert link. And after that, guys, click that one and paste the link that you copied earlier. So paste that one. So once the link is pasted, so click apply. So after that guys, we are good to go. So just for example, like this one, if you click this one, it takes you to the other location or to the desired location you wanted to go to. So I wanted to go to my sub page, so click that one. So it takes me to my sub page. So that's all guys. I hope you learn and you enjoy. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quiz tutorial in Google Sheets. Thank you.